So today we have a new topic. And the new topic, this is, who's creating the background noise? Please. Refund and demand. Refund and demand. Okay. So the topic of refund, this is under section 27. And demand is under section 28. Okay. This is a quite long section. And this section doesn't come alone. Many other things are associated with that. Section 27 and 27A. This is one part. Rest all 28, 28A, 28 AA, 28 triple A, 28 B, 28 double B, 28 C, D. Lot many sections are there. Okay. So today's agenda is only this much. Section 27 and 27A. This is only about refund. So directly taking you to the section. Here we have section 27. And what is the title? Claim for refund of duty. The title is not correct. Title is not correct. Why not? This is any person claiming refund of any duty or interest. What is the title? Only duty. So title becomes misleading. Now, if there is a difference in the title and content of the section, which one will prevail?
Content of the session.
Why?
There it is prescribably noted. What is the section?
Title is for understanding.
Content is
in law.
There's no legal.
Title of the section is not considered as part of law. Right? So any error in the title, anything lacking in the title should not be a reason for confusion, because that is not the law at all.
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.